Hello and welcome to our Learn Kikuyu lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to look at parts of the body, specifically the head. Ciĩga cia Mwĩrĩ is parts of the body, and our objectives will be naming the parts of the head in Kikuyu. We'll also have sentence examples, and we'll also be repeating a Kikuyu tongue twister. So be set for that. At the end of the lesson, there will be a tongue twister for you to try and say it after me. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks. Make sure you comment also. The first item on the list is kiongo or mutwe, which is the head. The plural for that is ciongo or mitwe. Gĩkĩ nĩ kiongo. Ici nĩ ciongo. Gĩkĩ nĩ kiongo kĩa mũndũ. Ici nĩ ciongo cia andũ. Gĩkĩ nĩ kiongo kĩa mũrũthi. Ici nĩ ciongo cia mĩrũthi. Njuiri. Njuiri is the hair. Njuiri. Bue. 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 Ũyũ nĩ mũthuri mũkũrũ. Guka ũyũ ena mbuĩ. Guka wanyu nĩ arĩ mbuĩ? Tombo. Tombo. That's the brain. Now for our tongue twister. Are you ready? Irigithathire rĩa mũrũthi ũrĩa. Again. Irigithathire rĩa mũrũthi ũrĩa. Just in case you didn't get it. Irigithathire rĩa mũrũthi ũrĩa. Now try to say that after me. And let me know in the comments below if you have got it right. Thank you. See you in our next video.